Hey guys, I have another cool treat for you. I've actually upgraded my mouse. That's right, I've been using the MX Master 2S from Logitech. It's been a really great mouse for the past 6 months, but overall I felt like it was a bit annoying my hands a little bit, especially with those buttons, and I couldn't really use that horizontal scroll wheel as much, and I felt like it was a little bit heavy as well. But I just upgraded to the new one here. As you can see, super awesome, super cool. So it's got a better overall slicker design, a little bit smaller. It also got a better magnets for the actual scrolling wheel as well, and also the horizontal side scroll wheel is easy to use with the two forward and back buttons as well. So overall, it's a really nice mouse, and we're gonna open it and check it out. This is not a sponsored post. I like reviewing products that I actually use, and overall I've been using this one. So pretty much it's very similar, not too many changes, but I can probably just sell this one and use this one, but we'll see what's inside. So I'm just gonna open it here. Got my little Swiss Army letter opener. So I'll just open this. And overall, Logitech always has great products. Like I even have the carbon keyboard as well, which is really good. So nice black box. You can see it's got a UV spot on the print, and it's got the little cool logo there, which is nice. Boom, beautiful, easy packaging, very sleek, very nice. So you can see overall the design is very similar, but you can see it's a bit more sleeker, not as thick, but the design is pretty cool. So if I just grab that, hopefully you guys see it. Whoops. Whoopsies. So hopefully you guys can see that, and hopefully it doesn't zooms in. So overall, nice feel. Oh, the actual material feels a bit different as well. Sometimes my hand would get sweaty. So yeah, overall it's a bit lighter and a bit smaller, which is nice. So yeah, we'll test it out and see how it's gonna feel. So overall, I think the MX Master 3 is really a good mic. It's very tactile, very great for productivity. It still has the same functions as the other one does, so you can actually use this for multiple screens. If you have a laptop or 2 monitors, it flows really easily. It's got the same buttons. The material on top feels a little bit different, not too sticky, but it's like it's got a bit of texture to it, so like your hand grips in. The wheel feels very accurate, it feels smooth, and overall feels a little bit lighter, and it fits my hand pretty well. Your pinky might feel like it's hanging off a little bit. That's probably the only minor thing, but overall I feel like it's a really great mouse, and I got it on sale for like, it was 20% off. So I feel like this is a great upgrade, and you guys should consider getting this mouse. But thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.